To the action from Dalal Street. Dalal Street witnessed its second day of straight gains today. The Nifty closed 0.25% in the green, while the Sensex gained almost 0.3%. The bank stocks, as we said earlier, were the real outperformer, closing more than a percent higher. There you go, the bank Nifty shining in trade today. This largely was on the back of comments made by Finance Minister Anuj Singhal on resolving NPAs at the CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Award last night. The mid-caps mirrored the benchmark indices today. So Anuj Singhal is standing by, in fact, to take this further. Anuj, the bank stocks really seem to help the Nifty retain that 9100 mark.
Well, the market rallied today, but not by much. Bank Nifty rallied a lot, and it was essentially about Bank Nifty. It was essentially about the weaker banks, the ones with the NPAs, because the rally came on back of what Finance Minister had to say, had to talk about the NPA issue at our IBLA Awards overnight, and that really was the reason that you saw a big surge in the stocks where you have the NPA problem, or in the banks where you have the NPA problem. So stocks like ICICI, State Bank of India, and Bank of Baroda were the top three Nifty gainers. Apart from that, OBC, Bank of India, Canara Bank were the other gainers, though these stocks did come off the intraday highs. Other Nifty gainers today included stocks like ITC, Reliance, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Why did the market not go up much despite all these moves? Because IT was putting pressure on the market. So stocks like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, fresh bit of bad news regarding visas on some of these names. So that was a sector under pressure. Apart from that, other Nifty losers today included names like Grasim, Idea, and also Z Entertainment. While outside the index, the stocks that stood out, KEC International and REC on the way up, and Jindal Steel and Power on the way down. All in all, for the week, it was quite flat with a bit of a negative bias. And once again, we are now in a bit of a trading band of about 200 points.
All right, Anuj, thanks for taking us through that. But let's move on.